Girl, it's a delivery man out here, so right on my doorstep after 6 in the evening. OMG. Thank you very much, sir. So tell me more about the company.
Yeah, so as you see, we're Shop and Relax.
Yeah.
You can find us at shopandrelax.com. You can just go online, sign up, create your account. It's free to create your account. And then we give you an address in the US. You just ship the package to the address in the US. You enter your delivery address here in Jamaica. And we deliver your items to you.
It's that easy?
That easy. So we deliver 7 days a week.
Wow, you see that, guys? OMG. I'm so excited. Thank you very much. I really appreciate
Here's
it.
the card.
Thank you.
All right, have a good evening.
You too. All right, bye.
Hey guys, what's up? So we're doing the last delivery for today. It is 6:01 p.m. But we have to get all our packages to our customer. So now this customer, what she loved about us was our different methods of paying. So we do online bank transfer, we do PayPal, Zelle, or you can even go into a branch and make a deposit. And we also do, of course, debit and credit cards. She went to the branch and she just made a deposit using the ADL. So we offer you a wide variety of payment options just to make it convenient and easy for you to shop and ship. Alright, man. Good night.
Oh, good night.
Good night.
Tired.
Yeah. Been a rough day.
I'm saying rain and
Sorry about that
everything.
bank here.
Yeah.
But I'm glad you're able to pay and we're here to deliver. Right. Cool. Alright, there you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Yard abroad. You have been watching our videos. You are talking. You've been watching our videos, but you have not created a free shipping account as yet. What are you waiting for? It is free to create and you can do it in half the time that you take to watch this video. Did you know that you can ship your items to Jamaica straight to your doorstep for like 25% what a FedEx or a DHL will cost you? Go ahead, click the link in the description box below, create your free account today. Do it! We're in the streets!